Hi guys, in this lecture you will be learning the setters and getters and this pointer. So first of all, what is the setter and getter? The setter is simply used to set the value of the data members of the class, and the getter is used to get the values of the data members of the class. So first of all, here I'm gonna declare a variable of the class. Here is string name semicolon, and then here I'm gonna make a setter to set the value of this name. So setter is simply a concept and it is just a function. It is a good programming practice. Many programmers use setters and getters. So void, here I'm gonna write set. You can write any name of the function. Here I'm gonna write set name, and then in between these parentheses I'm gonna write string and save it. And here I'm gonna write the implementation of this function. Here I'm gonna write name is equal to n, and here is semicolon. And now I'm gonna create the setter. Now I'm gonna create the getter to get the value of the name where we need in the program. Here I'm gonna write the return type. Here is the string, and then here is the get name. And now here I'm going to write parentheses, and then in between these parentheses we only need to write return name. And now here in these this is the setter and this is the getter which return the data member that is name. And now I'm going to call the setter. Here I'm going to create an object of the person. P1 is equal to new person, and now I'm gonna call the setter p1 dot set name. In between these parentheses I'm gonna write a name. Here I'm gonna write Fahad. So now I'm gonna call the getter. So here I'm gonna write sys out and control space, and here I'm gonna call getter p1 dot and get name. So now first of all run this program, and here you see that this is the output. And this statement will call the setter function, and this Fahad name is assigned to the data member whose name is name. And then this getter function return the name value that is stored. Then this statement call the getter function, and this getter function return the value of the name that is printed on the screen. So now I'm gonna discuss the this keyword. So where we use the this keyword, simply when we pass the parameter in the function. So here you see that its name is n, but if we pass name, so here you see that both names are same, so we have to write the name here. So this will create the error. With the data member we have to write this keyword, so it recognize this name as the data member of the class and this name as the temporary argument of the function. So this is the function of this keyword. I will see you in the next lecture that is about constructor. See you in the next lecture. Thank you for watching this video.